Cyberswitching, a power management company founded in 1994, began pioneering new power distribution technologies and techniques to improve the efficiency of our current infrastructure. With a strong focus on innovation for power solutions, Cyberswitching has created multiple lines of products offering new and exciting methods of managing power. The ever-growing list of patented solutions range from uses in data centers, multi-unit dwellings, fleets, and office spaces.
Well, in a nutshell, Cyberswitching is a power management company. We manage, monitor, and control and meter power. I have happy employees that have EVs. Employees come in, they plug in their cars, they don't have to worry about it, they get charged and they go home. You're on a budget and you want to take care of your employees and you want to get your fleets charged and you didn't want to spend, a lot of money on infrastructure, we can help you. We're a power management company. We don't care what the load is. We just help manage it and control it and schedule it. There isn't enough infrastructure from the utility company to all those locations to be able to handle the additional load. That's going to be your challenge. Your solution would be if you schedule and you manage your power. If you do that, there should be enough power for us to charge our vehicles. That's really the issue that we're going to have. If we're going to charge EVs, we have to be able to manage it, and the infrastructure isn't there. So what we did at Cyberswitching is we try to use your existing infrastructure more efficiently to be able to get the end result you want at a very reasonable cost.